I am a lawyer, have been appearing for Adani Group in several cases. So I have gone through this indictment by the US court running into some 54 pages. My assessment is, and it is clear, that there are 5 charges or 5 counts. It is very important to note that count 1 and count 5 are more important than the others, but in neither in count 1 nor in count 5 is Mr. Adani or his nephew charged. This is like a charge sheet. It charges individuals for doing specific acts. It is like a charge sheet under the Indian penal laws, that you charge somebody with a particular act, whether it is bribery, whether it is corruption, whether it is robbery, whether it is murder. So count number 1, contained in paras 124 onwards of the indictment, is against certain other persons minus the 2 Adanis. It includes some of their officers and 1 foreign person. That is the conspiracy to violate the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. It is called FCPA. It is somewhat similar to the Prevention of Corruption Act in India. So the first allegation is that there is a conspiracy to violate the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act framed by the US Parliament. In that, the Adanis are not named, their officers may be named. That's 1. Then there are 2 or 3 other counts relating to securities and bonds. In those 3 counts, the Adanis and others are named. In the last count, which is a very important count, is a count relating to obstruction of justice. In that count, namely count number 5, the Adanis are not named, but their officers are named. So it is, maybe I made a mistake in count number 5. I made a mistake. In count number 5, obstruction of justice, the Adanis are not named, their officers are not named, but certain other people are named, including a foreign party. But be that as it may, the Adanis and others will respond to this charge sheet in the manner that they desire. I have not seen their responses. They will also respond to the stock exchanges in the manner that they desire. I have not seen or vetted any of these exchanges. These are my personal views which I have mentioned after having a look at this charge sheet. In the end, I would like to say something which has been troubling me, that when you look at a charge sheet, you have to be specific to say that so and so has done such and such act, so and so has bribed certain individuals. Because this is a charge sheet alleging that these people, including Adanis, have bribed Indian officials in Indian entities relating to supply and purchase of power. But I do not find a single name or a single detail in the charge sheet as to who has been bribed, in what manner has he been bribed, and the official belongs to such and such department. This charge sheet is completely silent. I don't know how one can respond to these kind of charge sheets, but I'm sure the Adanis will take legal opinion, including from American lawyers, etc. One more thing I may add, I think I made a mistake. It is correct that in count 1 and count 5, the Adanis are not named, but several other persons are named. Whether they are connected with Mr. Adani or not, they will respond. But I just wanted to clear the air that the Adanis are not named in count 1, violation of the Foreign Corrupt Practice Act, or count 5, relating to obstruction of justice. Because I saw in the media that as if they have been named or charged in these two counts also. That is what I wanted to say. ये मैंने इंडाइटमेंट पढ़ा, ये चार्जशीट की तौर से है. इसमें 5 चार्जेस हैं. पहला चार्ज और 5वां चार्ज इम्पोर्टेंट है. पहला चार्ज है कि अमेरिका का कानून, जो करप्शन का कानून है, करप्शन विदेश का कानून, अमेरिका में नहीं बाहर, उस चार्ज में कई लोगों का नाम है, लेकिन ना अडानी का नाम है ना उनके नेफ्यू का नाम है. चार्ज नंबर 5 में जो चार्ज है कि न्याय के रास्ते में बाधा डालना, ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ जस्टिस, जो एक सीरियस ऑफेंस हो सकता है, उसमें भी ना मिस्टर अडानी का नाम है ना उनके भांजे का नाम है. ये मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूं कि मेरी अपनी राय है, ये पढ़ने के बाद, और ये क्लियर करने के लिए, क्योंकि मीडिया में मैंने देखा कि ये छप रहा है कि अडानीज के खिलाफ दोनों चार्ज हैं, न्याय के रास्ते में बाधा डालना और करप्शन का चार्ज जो पहला काउंट है वो नहीं है. ये मेरी पर्सनल राय है. अडानी ग्रुप क्या इसका जवाब देगा वो अपने लीगल सलाहकारों से करेगा जो अमेरिका में होंगे, या क्या टिप्पणी अडानी ग्रुप करेगा वो उसकी मर्जी है. ये मेरी पर्सनल राय है और ना इसमें अडानी का कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन है, ना उनकी कोई ये राय है.